Hello lovelies and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to be doing my makeup as I am tired and sick as all crap. And I thought it'd be fun though, and also my niece wanted to join me for a little bit. So we're already really getting into it, and I'm not really gonna explain a lot that I'm doing because it's just kind of like me trying to focus as I'm like sick and tired. And yeah, I was so tired. I was so tired. I feel like I don't look as tired as I was, but I was mental because I hadn't slept, and I was so like, I have the flu and it ends a sinus infection, and then my niece had a little family gathering. It was really fun, but it was also in 40-degree heat, and just the night of that I just couldn't sleep. So there I am in the morning, sick, no sleep, just like, hey, I'm just gonna do wow, I went to say nails because I do my makeup and see how much I struggle. I don't know if this struggle looks like much on the camera, but it really was a bit of a struggle, and I'm like, why am I here? Why am I doing this? I don't understand life right now. But go ahead and just watch me do my makeup. As you've already seen, I'll show you, I'll hold up the products that I use, and just if for some reason you are curious. Yeah. Alright, I'll leave you to it. Oh my goodness. So I fucked it up. Just wait. There it is. I was so done. And it wouldn't come off very well. And I'm just like, well, big wings it is. Wasn't planned. But it's happening. Because we all know the situation when we fuck up our eyeliner. I'm still sick if you couldn't tell, and sleep deprived, so you know, I'm still mental. So there's that. It took me so long to freaking do this because I was just so tired. And it was like, they're not even. Come on, just freaking do it. So I just gave up on making them even, and yeah. But yeah, the video that I edited through was like 10 minutes long. Just 10 minutes to do my freaking liquid eyeliner because anyway, we've moved on. Video's moved on. Why am I still here? And I completely didn't mean to overdraw my lips, but they were pretty overdrawn. Oh my god. I'm gonna stop. So I'm done. I'm kind of done all in general, not just with my makeup, but like freaking with life, you know? And I'm just feeling crazy, and I just kind of act how I felt. Yeah, I don't know. So right after I done my makeup, I literally just laid down and went to sleep. I'm just like, oh cool, you know, makeup's done. Well, time for a nap. The next clip is of me waking up after I slept for a little bit. It was like 4 hours later, but I looked rough because I was like, bleh. First I couldn't sleep because of the dogs. And then I come into my sister's room to sleep, and she has the beds. They're cute, but I've been really sick. Just need sleep. I already had sleep, but I need more.